Hey guys, Cody from Tom and Jerry's here again with a little tech tip. A lot of customers have kickers on their boats, and a lot of times when they don't use their kickers and they go to use it again, it doesn't want to start or it runs not very good. So I'm going to show you what we do here at Tom and Jerry's to make it so the carb doesn't get gunked up with bad gas or water in the fuel or anything like that. So when it's running, before you put your boat away, I like to come to the fuel line on the kicker and just unplug it. And then we're going to run the carburetor bowl out of fuel. And so with these little 99s, it takes a little while because they're so fuel efficient. But we just want to run that carburetor out of fuel. So then next time you come to use your boat, your kicker is going to start. You only want to do this on carbureted kicker models. Anything fuel injected, you don't want to unplug the fuel and let it run out because it's bad for the injectors, it's bad for the fuel pumps, only on carbureted models. So like the Honda 99, the Kicker 99s, and a lot of other 99 kickers are carbureted still. So we'll just go ahead and let it run out of fuel, and then when you come to use your boat next time, it'll be ready to start. You just prime it a couple times and you're off to the races. So then when you come back to use it, all you want to do is plug the fuel back in. Then if you have a priming bulb, you want to prime it up. But you can also just leave this connection off while you're not using it, only until you're ready to use it again, because if you plug it back in, it'll instantly put fuel back into the carburetor.